One of the biggest drivers that brought me here to UFM was the industry-bred faculty that UFM has to boast of. I couldn't find that in any other university that I had applied to, and the fact that some of these courses are taught by people in the industry makes it a big draw for me, because it's not academically inclined. It is more practical, application oriented, and these experiences, when I talk about these experiences to my employers, they value it so much more, because they know that I have hands-on experience of doing such work in my courses, so that once I get into work, it's not going to be too difficult for me to transition. And so that, I think that's extremely valuable for me, especially working with Professor Malin and at Hyde has been a fantastic experience so far, because I get to share their wealth of knowledge. And I think that is a big differentiator that UFM has going for it, setting it apart from the other universities. Ever since high school, I kind of knew that I wanted to go into the automotive industry. But during the course of my undergraduate studies in mechanical engineering, I got to understand the width of the field, the entire mechanical engineering field, because I had done a lot of co-ops during the time with automotive OEMs, with motor suppliers, and also with brake shoe manufacturers. So my experience in the field was more holistic, because I was involved in the manufacturing and the more hands-on type of activities. So I really got to get a feel for for designing and building things. So that passion translated into the fact that I wanted to know more about vehicles and build my passion for cars more. So that's why I started applying to universities. I wanted to do a master's in automotive engineering specifically, and that's exactly why I came here to UFM Ann Arbor. Being close to Detroit is a big plus for the University of Michigan, because Detroit has always been a center for innovation. There are so many wonderful innovative industries based in and around Detroit, especially in the automotive sector. So I think this gives University of Michigan a unique point where all of this talent merges together. I think there are great people from academia, from industry, and the talent, which is really the cream of the crop that comes here to UFM. I actually worked with Professor Malin on an industry project with American Iron and Steel. This is a company situated in Southfield, Michigan. So we were working on a benchmarking project with American Iron and Steel, where we had to kind of build up a design theme for the industry based on the industry trends that were emerging with the vehicles, both in the American as well as the European automotive industry. So I think it was a great automotive experience for me for the first time working with, I was involved with GM, Ford and Chrysler in the project, and some of the major automotive suppliers. So it was a great professional setting that I got used to, and it was my first big company in the US, and working with Professor Malin made it very easy for me to get used to things, and I think I had tremendous success with the project. A unique thing about the program is that you get a chance to work with people who are already in the industry. I've worked with people from GM, Ford, and Chrysler and Whirlpool as part of my projects here in some of the courses. I think that's where the automotive program comes in. I mean, it's a very small group of people. It's like a really very family affair kind of thing. So you know a lot of people. You get to talk to them so many times. I've worked with Professor Malin and Hyde for a long period of time, over a year. So they really know me very well, and the program works in a way that you constantly keep in touch with all of these guys, because you want to frame your career path similar to what they've done. I mean, I look at some of them as role models, so I really want to know their perspective on certain issues that I do, and what steps I should take to be a successful engineer. So I think this really develops a personal bond with professors, and you can get a lot out of them. Not just be a roll number, or they get to know your name, they get to know you personally, they get to know the challenges that you face, so that they can better personalize their advice to what you need, what you would like. I think that's a great experience with the course. If you see all of the faculty in the ME department or the automotive department that I know of, that I'm familiar with, all of them have very strong tie-ups with the industry, with GM, Ford, and Chrysler. They have so many research projects that are going on, and if you want to work under one of them, they'll make sure that you get a job with one of these automotive OEMs. So the strong connection that the faculty have with people in industry is a big bonus, being here in Detroit, in the center of the automotive industry. If you get a chance to work with them, I think it's a really big bonus. There's so much industry here. I just knew it had to be good, and the experience here has been overwhelming. It's much more than I asked for, and it's been a priceless experience. I would pay any amount of money to do this all over again. I don't think it's fair to put a money on on education, and the kind of experience that you gather over this 23 to 25 is a very critical period. So I mean, putting my price tag on it is, I don't think it's too valuable. But I think this experience has been absolutely overwhelming, much more than what I asked for when I came here. I'm working for Chrysler. I'll be working in the body engineering department. But more details, I have not received too much in terms of details because it's been just a month since I received the job offer. So and I'm going to be joining in May. So I think more details will follow very soon. I'm extremely happy with the job that I have, and it's definitely a dream come true for me. I'm a Michigan engineer, and I'm more than ready for the future.